What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with another lead. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are in great health. If you appreciate the content I'm sharing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share, because that's how you will be in the know when new leads, new ways, new techniques, new tips, hacks, and tricks come out to make money online. Now, today is the 2nd of February 2022, and at this point in time it is 10:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, and at this time and date of this recording, this video was posted 1 hour ago, so that will give you some reference as to how long ago this was posted, how likely is it to be available, and so on and so forth. Now, this lead comes to us from Coalition Technologies. If you've never heard of them, that's okay. There are many companies out there that are doing millions per year that aren't the loudest people. To get to their website, what you will do is press this link. Okay? And like magic, it pops up. Need revenue? Meet your new digital agency. 19,478,369 e-commerce transactions, 5,621,177 qualified leads, 700 plus case studies, reviews and rewards from some of the top companies. So they're an agency, okay? And you can learn more about the company by reading through their webpage, learning about their company structure. It is a pretty lengthy webpage, okay? So you can definitely scan through or skim through to find the information you need to ace it in the interview. So as a copywriter, what they're looking for is someone who has excellent English writing skills and is excited to write high quality SEO driven content that aligns with detailed client specific guidelines. Projects most commonly include writing web pages for e-commerce and lead generation business sites, such as category pages, product descriptions, and blog posts. So that's why they attract so many e-commerce stores. Our clientele is constantly evolving. We produce content for these and many other industry verticals. Fashion, so both mass market and luxury, skincare and beauty, tech and software, finance and investing, and law, so family law, product liability, divorce, etc. And if you notice, some of these have 2 asterisks next to them. There's a reason for that down below. Fields like education, home improvement, automobiles and motorcycles. OEM, which is original equipment manufacturer, and aftermarket accessories. Health and wellness, again with 2 asterisks. Medical or clinical, asterisk. Digital marketing. SEO, PR, advertising, and marketing, asterisk as well. Writers with a background in these highly specialized fields are strongly encouraged to apply. So for those fields or areas of specialization, if you have specific expertise in those areas, please do apply. So if you have expertise in these areas with the 2 asterisks or stars, whichever, tech and software, finance and investing, law, health and wellness, medical or clinical, and SEO, public relations, advertising and marketing, then they strongly suggest that you apply. Okay, the ideal candidate for this position is a multifaceted, technical and creative writer with at least 2 to 4 years of professional, non-academic experience. So not writing for your school paper or anything like that. They want you to actually be hired and working for the entity that you're writing for. All right. Candidates should understand how to write content that effortlessly blends SEO best practices and brand priorities for finished work that's engaging, creative, and ROI driven. Candidates should also be willing and able to complete careful research in order to gain a strong understanding of various industries. Candidates should be prepared to provide portfolios featuring published work. Okay, this is key. You need to be able to provide a portfolio of completed work. Okay. Once an offer has been extended, writers will be asked to take a brief training course. Now, compensation. Writers are paid on a per word basis. The rate is assessed according to our KPI rubric. All right. The highest available rate is $22.50 per page of 500 words for outstanding work. Okay? Outstanding work. Not subpar work, but $22.50 for 500 words of outstanding work. Most writers who have been with Coalition Technologies for 1 year see an average rate of $18 per page of 500 words. This is a freelance contract position. Okay? Freelance. It's not permanent. You get paid per page. You do as many jobs as you can. And if for some reason you decide to cut ties, okay. But it's contract. It's not permanent. But if it's something that sounds like it will float your boat, then go ahead and hit this apply for job button. And once you do that, it will take you to the page where you can fill in your information to get hired. So first name, last name, email address, phone number. Select your contact method, how you found us, YouTube, Internet Income Ninja all the way to the moon. Upload your resume, upload your cover letter. If you don't have any of these, there's a link to a website called Canva in the description below that you can use. It's very, very free. Very free. Just sign up and you have access to hundreds of templates for various types of opportunities. Okay? Hit I'm not a robot and press that apply now button and you're good to go. Always look out for emails from official email addresses of Coalition Technologies. Alright? So again, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And whenever you're watching this, I hope it finds you well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.